Hi, my name's Brian Glenski. I am a social studies teacher here at Lee Summit North High School. I wanted to welcome students and parents back for the 21-22 year. We're very excited to be able to start this year in person. Just a little bit about myself. In the past, I have taught American history for freshmen, sophomore history, which is world history that I will be teaching this year, and American government for juniors. I have also coached football here at Lee Summit North for 14 years in the past. This year have retired from that, spent a little bit more time with my own kiddos. I also do coach freshman baseball here at Lee Summit North. Also, just to give you, a little bit of help navigating our homepage, something that you will use very often, parents can look at and students will use on a daily basis, is up here at the top where you see our Schoology. A lot of the assignments will be put in there. I will also try and keep a calendar up to date. I will do my best as I can on that. Also, for parents and students, we have here PowerSchool, where you can go in and make sure your grades are up to date, and make sure that you have that, everything is complete and up to date in there. We also have instituted this, I think this is about year 2, this eHall Pass for students. So just kind of log in, and if they need to use the restroom or if they need to go get a drink of water or something like that, they can do that so it's less disruptive in class. If you also go here to staff and you go down to social studies, I'm pretty close up there and you'll see there I am, Brian Glenski. And if you click on this link right here, which is world history, it has our syllabus on there. You'll also see another name, which is Norman Jones, Mr. Jones. He co-teaches with me in this class in world history. Tanya Hall sometimes is in our class also. So that's a great thing about this class is we get different views from teachers. We also have some students may connect a little bit better with one teacher than the other. So that's a great opportunity that we have. So again, I just want to wish you a happy school year. And if you have any questions, you can go to that social studies again. It has my email down there here at the bottom, brian.glenski@lsr7.net. Look forward to seeing you at back to school night. And if we aren't able to see you, hopefully this video will give you a little bit of information. Again, my classroom is 2301 and my planned period is 5th hour. Thank you very much and have a great day.